12 reasons why real estate is the best investment. Investing in real estate has been one of the oldest ways of getting rich. Many richest families in the world have been rich for centuries because they inherited property from their parents and kept increasing the estate they owned. Almost every rich person we know owns land and property. Real estate owners make money in multiple ways. People who invest in real estate benefit from passive income through renting out the property, stable cash flow, tax advantages, diversification, and leverage. Welcome to Alpha Galore, the place for those in passionate pursuit of luxury and wealth. Smash the subscribe button now and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released. If you want to build sustainable assets that even your future generations can benefit from, investment in real estate is the best idea. Here are the 12 reasons why real estate is the best investment. Number 1. Passive income for life. The number one reason you should invest in real estate is passive income for life. Real estate investments are the best passive income sources because it is not a full-time or even part-time obligation. You can buy the property and rent it out. Annually or semi-annually, you might have to consider maintenance or asset management, and you will be earning passive income while staying stress-free. Although it may sound daunting to buy properties that are far away, you may be able to explore better investment ventures if you think outside the box and your neighborhood. Many investors who are in the process of building wealth flip properties. They see a 30-year-old house in the countryside that is in a bad shape and is selling for half its worth. They buy it, give it a complete modern makeover, and sometimes furnish it. Later, they manage to sell the same house for twice the money they spent on it. This one may not be a passive income, but it surely is a quick way to make dollars when you are a beginner. On a different note, you can turn a country property into a vacation house that you can rent. Vacation rentals are one of the best passive income streams that you can benefit from for the life of the property. Investing your hard-earned money in real estate is a great idea because the growth of property value is usually stable and consistent, and you can also benefit from rental income. Number 2. Diversification for increased stability. For getting rich, many people like to invest in stocks and bonds that provide higher returns and adequate capital protection. But when it comes to ultimate reliability and stability, real estate is unequaled. Every savvy investor knows that putting all of their eggs in one basket is risky. Therefore, investors allocate funds to different assets, businesses, and securities that reduce the overall risk. This variation of assets helps to ensure that a portion of your investment portfolio is performing well at all times, increasing the overall value of your portfolio at any given point in a fluctuating economic cycle. Adding investment real estate to your portfolio will help offset the volatility of other high-risk assets, thereby reducing the overall risk level of your portfolio and providing you with steadier returns. Number 3. HAMPER effects of a business cycle. The economic cycle is not straight or constant. It is always in a motion going up or down. Investing in real estate provides a safe side in case the markets take a dip. Your investment in real estate can help you hamper the effects of an economic downturn that will probably affect the stock market and businesses. When economies enter recession or depression, money trickles out of the economy, and people lose jobs. Businesses wind up and prices go up and down. Real estate rarely goes down in such situations. Even if the prices stop rising, they get back rising when the rainy day is gone. Number 4. Benefit from market downturns. Effective market timing is a crucial component of successful real estate investing. While it is difficult to time when a market has reached the bottom of the real estate cycle, but observing an upward trend and taking action can translate into strong future returns. You cannot learn real estate marketing science in a day, but many key indicators can be used to determine where the market is during its cycle and where it is headed. The most important factors are seller motivation, supply and demand, interest rates, employment trends, and population growth. Number 5. Leverage. Your real estate investment is a tangible asset. That means you can take full power of leverage. You can borrow capital on your investment to increase the potential investment by boosting your earnings. Leveraged investing is a technique that seeks higher investment profits by using borrowed money. These profits come from the difference between the investment returns on the borrowed capital and the cost of the associated interest. The potential return on your leveraged real estate investment is substantially increased compared to a non-leveraged investment. Therefore, you can go on making investments decision to escalate your assets. Number 6. Save money in taxes. If you buy a property and its value appreciates, you don't have to pay the tax on the capital gain until you sell it. The tax-deferred growth of the property value allows you to gain the maximum benefits from your property. You can let the value of your multiple properties compound, and because there is no limit to how long you can keep your property, you can let the property grow sheltered from taxes. Let's say you purchase an $80,000 property that increases in value to $120,000. You get a capital gain of $40,000, which is sheltered from tax until you sell the property. Because you can keep the property forever by passing it down to your kids and their kids, this benefit can compound forever. Number 7. Increased cash flow. As soon as the mortgage is paid down, you can gain incessant benefits from your property. It can generate high income in the long term. Remarkably, the income generated from your investment property will often be sufficient to offset your mortgage payment, taxes, condominium fees, and other expenses, while still providing you with increased monthly cash flow. As you go on paying the mortgage, you build equity. Cash flow can be generated through properties that produce income, like rental real estate such as an apartment complex, single-family rental, duplex, or commercial building. You can rent out the property and pay the mortgage from the rental income while also putting the remaining cash in your pocket. Isn't real estate investment amazing? Number 8. Renewable source of capital. Investors like to have cash handy. If you are a beginner and don't know much about investing in property, you must be thinking, all the money would be invested in the property. I won't be able to invest in other ventures. Fortunately, real estate is the best investment because it can provide you with a renewable source of capital through refinancing options. As property values increase and mortgage financing decreases over time. Just like money people who refinance their houses to pay less, investors do the same. Whenever the interest rates drop, they take out a loan and use it to pay the previous mortgage and save money too. This enables them to pay less than they used to, keeping more of the rental money in their pocket. Number 9. Wealth creation. Land appreciates because it is limited in supply. Consequently, as the population increases, so do the demand for land, driving its price up over time. When real estate investments are made strategically and timely, they can be powerful vehicles for wealth creation. The value of your investment property increases, while the corresponding mortgage financing is reduced nominally through regular mortgage payments. The result is increased equity and increased wealth. Number 10. Liquidation. It may not be possible to sell your property in a day if you need cash, but selling a property is fairly easy. On average, the house sale process takes around 2 to 3 months. If you have an urgent need and you cannot wait, you can use cash-out refinance for your property. The value of land rarely decreases. In most parts of the world, the growth rates may differ, but the property only appreciates. If you want to convert your property to cash after holding it for some time, there is a good chance you will be able to get a good return on your investment. Number 11. Transferable and heritable. The most easily transferable asset is property. If you want to leave your assets to your spouse and children, tangible assets such as property and jewelry are the best options. Your children may not know how to manage a business or deal with stocks, but maintaining a property is easier. Property is one of the safest investments for your family because it can accommodate them and also provide a store of value. You can also insure the property to provide adequate protection against natural disasters, theft, and lawsuits. Number 12. Store of value and inflation hamper. The property provides the best store of value because not only the value of the initial investment is safeguarded, it also grows over the years. If you buy a car or keep idle cash for the next 3 years, as the car depreciates and the new money is printed, you won't be able to get the exact amount you had invested. As inflation goes up, the money is devalued constantly. With your money invested in a real estate asset, you can assure that the value of your property doesn't get devalued as more buildings rise. Unlike the cars and fiat currency, when new cars are launched and the currency is printed. As inflation increases, the value of cash decreases. What you could buy today with $1,000 cannot be bought 3 years from today with the same money. Even some investments fail to beat inflation and over time do not provide a cash flow that surpasses inflation. But a long-term real estate investing strategy can effectively hamper inflation because the value of this asset class has historically increased at a rate similar to the rate of inflation. Therefore, investments in real estate can help maintain your wealth and your standard of living. Real estate investment has been around for thousands of years. The land is limited, therefore the property prices go up all around the world. Around 90% of millionaires invest in real estate because it is the best business portfolio diversification and provides excellent rate of return. Thank you for watching this video. Which other real estate reasons did I not mention in this video? Let me know your thoughts by leaving it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this on a regular basis.